Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 S550 Coupe 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. We've got a diamond style grille up in front. Daytime running lights that are LED. This one also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you the sports body styling and the sports 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. For our interior, we've got a Designo saddle brown black Exclusive Napa leather, panorama sunroof, Designo stitched on the front and rear seats. Coming around back, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, set of all-season floor mats. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, which is included in the warmth and comfort package, which is included. Power seats, power windows. Hopping in. To the side over here, we have our driver's assistance package, which is going to come with pre-safe, Distronic Plus, active lane keeping assist, active blind spot assist, a nice Designo piano lacquer trim steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, hard keys for our media display, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This S550 Coupe has, 19,040 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.